Hello, this is the See It, Try It, Speak It, Shelly's Wisdom. Take a minute to look at the image. What do you see? Try to make 2 to 3 English sentences. Please pause the video while you do this. Pause now. Awesome. Did you say they are a tortoise? The tortoise sits in the grass. They look old. They have a shell. These are some examples you could have said about Shelly. Let's look at the image description. Shelly is a large tortoise with a strong, sturdy shell. His shell is a mix of brown and gray tones with a rough texture that seems to carry the marks of time. Shelly's face is wrinkled, and his small yet deep eyes give the impression of an ancient observer. Around his mouth, tiny bits of dirt are stuck, making it look like he just finished a meal. He is lifting one front leg as he slowly moves through the grass. His thick legs are covered in scale-like patterns, highlighting their strength. Around him, green grass grows freely, blending perfectly with his natural surrounding. His pace is slow, but there is no rush for Shelly. Now that we read the image description, let's take a look at the 10 questions. Do the questions on your own first. Then we will go over them together. You can pause the video while you do this. Pause now. Very nice. Let's take a look. Question number 1. What kind of animal is Shelly? The answer is B, a tortoise. Shelly is not a turtle, but a tortoise. Question number 2. What colors are Shelly's shell? B, brown and gray. The image description tells us his shell is brown and gray tones. Question 3. How is Shelly's pace described? A, slow but steady. Moving slow as a tortoise, but they're steady, firm movements, as is described in the image description. Question 4. What is stuck around Shelly's mouth? A, tiny bits of dirt. It looks like he just ate. That is what we are told in the image description. Question 5. How does Shelly's shell appear? B, rough and textured. It's been through a lot, it's traveled many distances and been around many years. It has a rough and textured feel and look to it, as we know in the image description. Number 6. What does Shelly's deep eyes suggest? B, that he is wise and observant. Tortoises live for many, many, many years, often longer than people. So we know he has seen a lot. The image description talks about how wise and observant he can be. The answer is B. Question 7. What is noticeable about Shelly's legs? A, they are covered in scale-like patterns that add to their strength. We read this in the image description. Question 8. How does Shelly move through the grass? A, he lifts one front leg slowly and takes it one step at a time. Question 9. What makes Shelly seem like a wise creature? The answer here is A, his deep eyes, and slow, steady movement. These are the things that help us see him as a wide, knowledgeable creature. We know this as the image description has told us this, but culturally, many cultures view a tortoise as a wise, old, strong animal. Question 10. What feeling does the description of Shelly create? Now, the answer here is going to be B, a calm and peaceful atmosphere. There's nothing urgent about it. It's not intense or chaotic. There's not as much action. It's not mysterious, and it's definitely not dangerous. So the answer is B. Now that we have done the 10 questions together, go back and do them on your own with our ebook. The ebook will go over each question with a detailed explanation for each answer. Also, please reread the image description 2 to 3 more times. This will help you with understanding, sentence structure, and vocabulary. I do recommend looking at the image again. Make more sentences. It's great practice to help you with your English. In today's lesson, we described Shelly. Did you enjoy the lesson? If so, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification button. You can check the link below in the description box for our ebook. It's available for purchase at the Google Store and will be 30% off for 3 months. Remember, no matter how challenging it looks, never give up. English isn't hard when you're with me. In fact, English is as easy as 1, 2, 3. We'd like to thank you again for supporting our videos. Please like and subscribe so we can keep making more English content for you. This journey is one we are on together. Until next time, bye-bye for now.